standing in the village Mahiwala area, which is about 4 or 5 kilometers away from the Talwar post, where there are camps for the help of flood affectees in this Kasur area. Over here, what we've seen throughout our on our journey here are these small patches of roads which are inundated. It's not a lot of water, but what we've seen is that if you can see on that side, you see various crops which are inundated on that side. So that's what we've seen everywhere. And then there will be small villages or small locations where there are clusters of houses living there, and people cannot move to and fro because of the water that surround their houses. I mean, this is just like a bit of activity. Some women, they're trying to wash clothes because they have no electricity now. Their tube wells are not working. So they're just here to take care of their daily laundry. So that is one of the effects of the water in the area, that there's no electricity. On our way here, we just ran into these two gentlemen who are from the Basti Saif Aliyan, and they are telling us that they still in their area, they have not had any support from the 1122 or the district authority or the disaster management authority, and they claim that it's a small location. It's a small basti. They're just about 20 houses over there, but their women are stranded there, and they don't have a boat. Boat is what they really need. Their children cannot go to school. If someone's unwell, they cannot really bring them over to the medical camps. So if there are medical camps and people cannot reach them, so it's just half of the work that is done over here. आपका नाम?
अल्लाह साहब जी।
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਦੱਸੋ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਫਸਲਾਂ ਨੂੰ, ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ ਜ਼ਮੀਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਪਹੁੰਚਿਆ ਹੈ?
जी हाँ, नुकसान पहुंचा। बाजरा है वो गर्क हो गया है। दूसरा हमारा तेल सी, मूंजी, मकई और तबाह हुई जी।
What we've seen over here in their complaint is that they also don't know as to how to go about getting help. So if there are small clusters of houses or small locations or colonies in the area where people don't know where to get help from, and they sort of underestimated the situation themselves, then they have they're looking for a way to reach the authorities, and authorities, their demand is that authorities should be able to reach them as well. So it looks like that there's a lot of lack of coordination and lack of communication over here as well.